How's my hair?
Horrible.
Nice. All right. Which number is both a factor of 50 and a multiple of 5? So this question was particularly troubling for scholars because they needed to understand the definition of both factor and of multiple. So let's dissect this problem. Which number is both a factor of 50 and a multiple of 5? First, I want to figure out what a factor is. Factors of numbers are numbers that can go into a bigger number. So if I have 50, I want to think about 50 divided by what can get to 50. So I know a factor of 50 would be 1 because 1 goes into 50. I also know another factor is 2. I also know another factor, let's say 3. Well, does 3 times something get me 50? Well, let's try 15. 15, 30, 45, 60. No. Let's try 16. 16, 32, 48. No. So 3 is not a factor of 50 because 3 doesn't go into 50. Let's try 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52. Nope. 4 does not go into 50. That is not a factor. What about 5? Well, I know that 5 does go into 50 because 50 divided by a number gets 5. What about 6? 6 times something does not get 50. 7 times something does not get 50. Neither does 8. Neither does 9. Oh, but I know 5 times 10 does get me 50. I also know that we said 2 times something gets me 50. So 2 times 25 gets me 50, as well as 1 times something. 1 and itself are always factors, so I know 50 has to be a factor. So 1 times 50 gets me 50, so these are my factors. I'm going to label that these are my factors of 50. 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. Now I want to think about multiples of 5. Any number times 5 is going to be a multiple, or a multiple is a number that can be divided by 5 evenly. So I want to think about all of the multiples of 5. So I know we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and we can go on and on and on. But now let's think about what is a factor and a multiple of 5 and a factor of 50? Well, I know 1 is not a multiple of 5, so I can cross out 1. Let's see 20. A factor of 50 was not 20 because 20 does not go into 50, so I can cross it out. What about 25? 1, 2, oh, I see 25 is a factor. What about a multiple? 5, 10, 15, 20, oh. Actually, I can keep going. 25 is a multiple of 5. I'm going to put a dot here because that one might be correct. What about 100? I actually do know that 5 goes into 100, so 100 is a multiple of 5, but it is not a factor. 100 is actually a multiple of 50 as well, not a factor of 50, so the only correct answer is 25.